Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Alonso Gómez Ortega. I am 29 years old. I am business management technologies and I'm currently studying business administration program in the CEAD Popayán. I'll tell you my trip experience in Brisas de los Lagos in Buga. I went swimming in the pool last month with my wife's family. I with my wife, with my son, with my lawyer, with my laws, my sister-in-law, my brother-in-law, with my nephews and my nieces too. We arrived early in the morning. In addition to enjoy the pool and talk picnic, and we men went playing soccer. Women's take care small children, and children went playing in kids games. We had a blast. So now I will tell you tips in this place. The tips or recommendations to do in this place are the follows. It is recommended that you use sunblock lotion at the pool. It is advisable people apply mosquito repellent in the warm weather. It is important that we wear a suitable suit. It is better that you no run around the pool. It is important that children at the pool. It is advisable that people not expose a lot of time to the sun. It is recommended that we wait on or after 8 to be able to enter the pool. And it is a good idea that everyone play with bells and inflatables in the pool. Well, and now I will give advice to show or children in this place. One, people should go wear slates and nail into the pool from diving boards. Two, you should play soccer on the center telescope. Three, people shouldn't lunch at the pool because crime occur. Four, we shouldn't bring the pigs in this place. That's okay. It is all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.